Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. This is special session of G troubleshooting and our topic is complex numbers today. Okay, I assigned some problems to students. This is my WhatsApp number 9825245816. Okay, join our Rushi Parivar. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. Then I will send all the students joining the Rushi Parivar some problems, and then they ask me difficulties that I am solving here. Okay, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, you must subscribe it by pushing the bell button. Okay, so you will get all the notifications. It is free. Okay, it is a journey of knowledge. Let us enjoy together. So this is the problem. Real part of e raised to j theta. Okay, now see, first of all, e raised to j theta can be written as e raised to, now we know that e raised to j theta is cos theta plus j sin theta. Okay, so e raised to cos theta plus, now this is angle for us. Can we write like this? E raised to cos theta multiplied by e raised to j sin theta. So now this is e raised to cos theta. Now this sin theta is suppose alpha for us. So into e raised to j alpha, where I have considered sin theta as alpha. So now it will become e raised to cos theta. Now e raised to j alpha, that can be written as cos alpha plus j sin alpha. Okay. Now suppose this as z. Okay. Then real part of z will be equal to e raised to cos theta into cos alpha. Can be written as e raised to cos theta into cos of what is alpha? Sin theta. Okay, so the answer is e raised to cos theta because that is it. Okay, now next one, second. If x plus 1 upon x equals to root 3, then we have to find out x. See here x plus 1 upon x equals to root 3. Okay, can be written as x square plus 1 equals to root 3x. Can be written as x square minus root 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so it's a quadratic equation. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus root 3, c equals to 1, d will be equal to b square minus 4ac. Can be written as b square is 3, okay, minus 4, 1, 1, that is, so it is minus 1. So that can be written as I square. Okay, so now x will be equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. We know it. Okay, so that will be equal to minus of minus root 3, that is root 3, plus or minus root d is I upon 2a is 1. Okay, so there are two possibilities: x equals to root 3 by 2 plus I by 2, or x equals to root 3 by 2 minus I by 2. Okay, now we know that this can be written as cos pi by 6 plus I into 1 by 2 is sin pi by 6, or for it is not needed to find out because this is the answer actually. Cos pi by 6 plus I into sin pi by 6. We don't have that much time to check all the options. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, D. Now third one. Okay, that is, we are given z equals to 7 minus I upon 3 minus 4i, and we have to find out z raised to 4k. Okay, so first of all, simplify this, multiplying by conjugate of the denominator, so 3 plus 4i upon 3 minus 4i into 3 plus 4i. So that will be equal to 21 plus 28i minus 3i minus 4i square divided by, this will become 9 minus 16i square, so can be written as, see, 21 plus 25i, and this is actually plus 4, divided by 9 minus 16 into minus 1, that is 25 plus 25i upon 25, that is 1 plus I. So that is z for us, okay, but we are asked z raised to 14. See, now see, z equals to 1 plus I. In that case, z square will be equal to 1 plus I square, that is 1 plus 2I plus I square, that will be equal to 1 plus 2I minus 1, that is 2I. So z raised to 14 means z square raised to 7 can be written as 2I raised to 7, can be written as 2 raised to 7 into I raised to 7, can be written as 2 raised to 7 into I raised to 6 into I. Now we know that this is actually I square cube, so minus 1 cube into I. So that finally it is minus 2 raised to 7 into I. Okay.